Hi students, in this video I will explain structure working about full adder. What is the full adder? Full adder is combinational logic circuit, digital circuit in which it accepts two inputs bits and one carry bits and produces two bits for output. One bit is sum bit as usual in half adder and one is carry bit. It's also same like half adders. Let's move to its logical samples. It's accepting three bits as input, A, B and carry in. This circuit is accepting carry in as a input and produces same like half adder, sum bit and carry out bit. If full adder is same like half adder, what is difference? Question maybe arises in your minds. Then why we need this circuit? Difference between full adder and half adder is that full adder accept carry bit as an input and half adder not accept carry bit as input. It's only half adder accepts only two bits, full adder accepts three bits, two input bits and third input bit is carry input. Let's move to its truth table. Here in this part I have shown you the truth table of full adder. As three inputs A, B and carry in is as a inputs and producing two outputs C out and S sum bit. I have mentioned all the possible states and regarding these states carry out and some bits are shown in the truth table. How I am calculated these values? These values are calculated with the help of their expression. What is expression? Expression is telling when some bit will be produced, when carry out bit will be produced, at which state some bit will be 1, carry out bit will be 1. The expression about sum is S is equal to sum bit is equal to exclusive or among A and B and then exclusive or of this answer between this answer and between C bit. It is the expression of sum bit. What is the expression of carry bit? Carry bit expression is AB and operation among A and B or operation with the results of A, B, exclusive or multiply C in. How this circuit has been produced? These expression has been produced by the help of K-map. How this will be explained in the description of the video. Let's find the description of the video. In video you will find in the descriptions part how we got these values. Next, implementations part. On depending upon this expression I have drawn the expressions part. First of all, A and B exclusive OR operation performed and this portion is solved. Then the result of this portion, this operation, we have again performed exclusive OR with C in. This bit will be the result will be sum bit. On the other hand, for C we have further produced the results A and B among with the help of this AND gate. This AND gate is exclusive OR AB and C in. and then with the help of OR gate we have solved this bit carry out, and this is sum bit. This is the implementation of this expression. How we get this expression? It will be proved in the descriptions part of the video. Don't forget to subscribe my channels for further videos related to digital logic and design. Thank you.